Yes, my boys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to start with volatility index robot on $25 deposit to show you the accuracy of bot. As you guys can see here, in this video we started with 25 capital and the bot has been switched on this account. The bot will automatically analyze all pairs we need to open the trade and on which pair. You just need to have the bot file, set it on your account and forget sleep well. Here you guys see the bot started making profit, taking positions. Yeah, my guys. Here you guys can see step by step the bot is growing this account, holding this position, closing automatically. Keep watching how actually the bot work and how it consistently make profit. See here a few more trades. The bot is holding this rate. Let's see. $25, just $25. The bot is going to make profit or loss. It's all up to market and it's live in front of you guys. It's live recording. This bot can work on any account. 25 is really very low. Any trader can afford this $25. Bot will auto analyze any index. Bot will be auto open trades. Automatically it will close. Automatically it will trailing stop loss. Each and everything is hidden. You can't see the stop loss. You can't see the take profit because it's hidden. You know, this is man-made market. Sometimes they hunt SL, sometimes they hunt the early take profit. That's why. This is a pure scalper bot. This is a pure scalping bot. It is almost near to double account. Made a profit. And see here, guys. Keep watching, guys. I'm running the music so you understand how actually it works. Enjoy the music, watch the performance. If you guys have any question, check the description, chat with us. Here you guys may see it's almost double the count. $51. This is the power.